Good morning, guys. How are we doing? And welcome to Thursday. I wanted to say Friday. I thought it was Friday. It's not. I know why I thought it was Friday. Rachel's gone to work. It's her last day today. And then she gets tomorrow off. And then she gets another week off before the kids go back to school. So it just made it feel like it was Friday because it's the last day at work. Anyway, hope you're all doing well this morning. Hope you're doing something nice. Or whatever you're doing. I hope you're all okay. There's a look outside at the weather this morning. You never know what it's going to be like. Yesterday wasn't too bad, to be fair. Yeah, so busy. Let's put your words out, boy. Busy-ish day yesterday it was, doing that wallpaper, but glad I got it done for them. Today, I have no idea. We still haven't been food shop day yet, but Rach was on about doing it online, so we'll see. But no doubt we'll have to pop out to the shops at some point just to get some bread. Did go to the shop last night on the way home from picking kids up from nannies. But I forgot bread. Don't know how I forget bread, but we did. So there's a few little bits that we have to get out. And I think Rach wants to go and gets a bag of wood chip for Lacey's garden. So she can sort of finish that off. Grandad had some things for us to plant in there for her, but I totally forgot, and obviously it was like late last night, so but they're coming on Sunday for Sunday lunch, so I'll probably bring them then. But yeah, that's it. That's all I've got to say for now. 9 AM now. All the kiddos are still in bed. I think they're tired out from being in Nanny's hot tub yesterday. She did say they've been in there hours, especially little Chloe Bow. Anyway, I've just had a phone call, and new tumble dryer should be here soon. And as I vlogged that clip, it turns up. And there it is, guys. It's a fancy one, isn't it? Apparently it's got Wi-Fi on, but I don't know what you want Wi-Fi for. But there you go, it's a condenser one, look. So, and still, I wait for the kids to get up. 10:15 now. Just me and you in it, what? Just been sat here. I can't complain though, it's nice just enjoying the peace, to be fair. Well, apart from the workmen out there banging about, but that can't be helped, can it? Huh? Right outside there, look. Tell you what, it's gone pretty dull out there as well, and I'm feeling a little bit chilly. Chilla wella, Anna. You in the mood? Oh, look at that good face soon. Nasty. 11:20, and one of them has just got up. Wow. About 10 minutes ago, haven't you, Sandra? And she said the other two are still fast asleep.
I woke up and then I went back to sleep.
Did you, Sandra?
Because I was still...
Too many late nights. We keep saying it. You're all going to struggle next week, the week after when you go back to school. Aren't you? Anyway, we're hungry. Just going to have a bagel, aren't we? Look at this. Midday. And this one's just got up. Hello, sweet pie. You all right? You've had a good sleep, haven't you? Yeah.
Go up.
And here's boy Joe. He got up about 10 minutes ago, didn't you? You right? Hey, bagel's good? Yeah, good. Right, when Rach gets home, we've got to pop out. As I said earlier, got to nip to some shops, get some wood chip, and I also need to go to the chemist. Do indeed. Very important. I'll go to the chemist today. Rach is home. She's done it. She's completed it. Don't run away. Don't run away, sweet pea. Yes, she's completed it. She's the same as me, though. She come out of work and she was like, oh, it's Friday, isn't it? Something about Saturday tomorrow. I was like, no, it's only Thursday. But yeah, that's it. A summer clean is done for another year. So now she gets another week off before we'll go back to normality. No. Indeed, Liam. Indeed. Hey? Yes, been to shop. Rach is very happy with the washer. Not washer, is it? Dryer. Yeah. What else can we say, Liam? These are very nice. Let me just... Got these in Tesco's. Quite nice, these. You want to give them a whirl? 3:10. It's been a pretty quiet day, guys. It's gone really dull outside again. Looks like we're going to get a shower. I'm pretty chilly. I was cold this morning, and then the sun come out, and it was all right. Now it's gone chilly again, and cloudy. yeah, so I think kids are just having chicken burgers for tea, so we're having that later. Bill's going to pop by in about an hour's time. I think he's got to go to the chemist or something, and he's going to bring some bits for Lacey's garden that I was on about, and I think he is. No, I could be wrong. I know, actually, I could be completely wrong. I thought Mum said that he was going to bring some of that stuff, but the main reason he's coming is to bring a joint of meat. We're having roast beef on Sunday, and I've invited the crew, and they went out to Asda's today, so I said, if you go out, find a nice bit there, pick it up for me, and I'll pay him. So yeah, so he's going to drop that off. Chloe's just made me dress her in her Elsa outfit. Mummy said she's going to get you a proper one that fits you, because that's too big really, but she loves it. She just brought it to me and says, I love being Elsa, I'm going to be Elsa now. So I've had to put that on for you, haven't I?
Yeah.
Love Elsa, don't you? Yeah. And when the new Frozen comes out in the cinema, are you going to go and watch it? Yeah.
Yeah, and then that, but and that means then mess about.
Who's mess about?
Liam.
Liam?
Yeah, he's gonna mess about when I'm done what Elsa.
He's going to mess about while you try and watch Elsa? Like in the cinema?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not good, is it?
No. I'm done watching. Not him, he don't like. He don't want it. Me more Yeshua does. One of you done all for you.
Someone's knocking. Hi. Where's the garden stuff? Where's the garden stuff? Oh. Oh yeah, we was late the other night, weren't we?
Hey?
We was late the other night.
How are you?
Bell's got his appointment through for his hernia now. 6th of January 2020. No, 6th of September 2019. In about 2 weeks. He's ever so scared, bless him. Scared, aren't you?
No.
Let's have a look at your finger today. Nanny's changed the dressing for him.
Showed you.
Yeah, she sent me a picture. Cringe. I'll insert it here.
Sounds fun.
I bet she did. Is she being a good boy?
No.
She's winding you up.
Yes.
Here's a look at the beef. What we've got for Sunday.
Elsa don't normally fall over, does she?
Nice. Well, thanks then, Belle.
Get one of them now that's thingy.
What?
Cordless.
Can you?
Yeah.
What, a Henry cordless?
Yeah.
Oh, how much are they?
Don't do that.
Don't pull that.
I can't remember because I was going to get Val one. But he said, I still got didn't in front of me.
Well, she wants an upright one, doesn't she?
They're the best, aren't they?
Well, can't beat good old Henry. It's had these new. We've bought these new. Replaced all these because that was all cracked. That was no good. Kept falling. Yeah. So, but apart from that, the actual Hoover's fine. Keeps on trucking. Old Henry does.
Cordless Henry.
Right, just an update on our new tumble dryer. It's not actually been used yet. Well, it's been tested to make sure it works. That's it. But I'm shocked it hasn't been on. But Rachel's trying to be good. But we don't want it living in here. But I don't want it in the shed either. So tomorrow we're going to have a big clean in the house. And then this is hopefully going to go in the cupboard upstairs out the way. We'll see. Right, folks, we've had tea. I've nearly finished washing up. I was just waiting for Chloe to finish, which she has. We've just got the morbid old news on, although it's on about exam results, GCSE results. People collected them today, so if anyone that watches this has gone to pick theirs up, I hope you did well. Yeah. What time is it, right? 6:10. For a minute there, I thought it was 7 o'clock. Right, I'm going to go finish washing up. Look at that, state of that. Need a haircut again. Ty's just going to get cleaned up, aren't you, Ty? Yeah, she's made a mess with the toys, so she's going to tidy up, then she's off to bed, aren't you? Yeah. I've got a headache, and, well, for about half an hour she's stopped now. But we've had Lacey having a right tantrum. Whoa. Did she, well, I wouldn't be surprised if everyone down the street didn't hear her. That's how bad she was. But yeah, I've got a terrible headache. I'm going to get myself some paracetamol. Rachel sat across from me going, so that means she wants me to make her a drink, and I thought she was going to make it tonight. That's one in bed anyway, isn't it? You. Who'll be second in bed? Who do you think will go to bed next?
Yeti.
No.
Meow.
No.
Daddy.
Daddy. Yeah, probably. Kiss. Good night, darling. Love you.
Didn't put my blanket.
Yeah, I'll put your blanket on. Morning, everyone. I didn't end the vlog last night, as you see, but the last clip that I put was I'd be in bed next, and I was. So anyway, I'll end this one here and start today's. Take care and peace out.